Deep practice and repetitions. All we're doing here is downs, sits, and sendaways. So I'm teaching Molly to come to me and also go to target. Come to me, go to your place. Come to me, go to your kennel. It allows me to be the non-active handler. And Molly is doing a fantastic job. We're practicing a little bit of healing. We're practicing a lot of sits and downs. And my back is turned while I'm asking her to go to the place command. This allows me to understand if Molly is picking up on the training, because I shouldn't have to lure the dog to the kennel. I shouldn't have to lure the dog to the place command. I should be able to do it with my back turned. And doing these repetitions ensures a more advanced obedience technique. This is Dog Trainer Rob. Questions and discussions are always welcomed. Leave them in the comment section and enjoy the rest of the video. See you guys next time.
Down. Place. Sit. Down. Place. Place.